All right, what's going on, people? If you're seeing this video, it's because you asked for more information about the Pocket Options trading group. Okay, so first step you're going to do is come to pocketoptions.com. You're going to click that link that I either gave you, or if you're seeing this on YouTube, you can go in the description below and click that link below. Right. So if you have no idea what Pocket Options is, it's just another form of trading. Okay, with trading currencies, and what you're going to do is have a limited time, right, for per trade, and at the end of that time, you will either win or lose depending on where you got in at the market. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys an example. But first, just register. Go ahead and put your email in, password. Okay. If you DM me on Facebook, I'll have a promo code for you to get 50% bonus match. Click this. I have read and accepted, and then sign up. All right. So once you sign up, it's going to bring you here. All right. So once you get here, a few things that you need to keep in mind. Like I said, it's going to be a set in time where you choose a time limit, right? So I usually do 30-second trades, go all the way up to 3 minutes, 5 minute trades at a time. Okay, just depending on what the market is doing at the time, right? But usually I just try to get in and out, so I'll take 30-second trades really quick. So this is where you choose your time. This is the amount that you choose to trade. Okay, so I suggest that you only risk 1 to 2% of your account. So, like for example, this account has 12,733 in the demo account. So 1% of that would be $120. Okay, so I tell people I suggest that you don't risk more than 1% per trade, and I'm gonna show you guys the reason why. Right, I'm gonna show you my strategy here in a minute. I'm gonna show you why you only want to risk 1 to 2% per trade. Okay, so this is your payout. It's going to give you your payout, how much your total profit will be, how much the profit on the trade will be. This green button is when we get in for a buy. Okay, so if we think price is going to go up, we'll press this green button. If we think it's going to go down, we'll press this red button. All right. So just looking at this, just eyeballing it, right? I'm just going to get in for a trade just to show you guys an example of the strategy, right? So we got in for a sell here. Like I said, it's going to count down your time right here. So this is a 30-second trade. So at the end of this 30 seconds, if it's below where we got in at, right, since we said sell, if it's below that line, we win the trade. If it's above, we lose. Okay, so this is how fast you can make or lose money trading binary options. All right, so we got about 5 seconds to go in this trade. Looking pretty good. And we won that, right? So that's how fast you can win or lose, right? So just like that, right? It went up above. If it would have been a few seconds later, we would have lost that trade. So it's really just about your timing and where you're getting positioned in that for binary option trading, right? That's really what it comes down to, just getting in at the right time and knowing when to get in the market, right? Where is a good place at. And there's certain ways that you can do that, right? There's a tool that I use called the Stochastic Oscillator. I also use my own analysis. Also, I have a tool called the SBA system, right? This here, which is going to let us know when to get in, when to get out of the market. Okay. So yeah, I'll show you guys how do I draw up my analysis, my strategy inside of my training group. Okay. To get in my training group, if you want to trade binary options with us live, and we'll be starting our trading sessions at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, 8 a.m. Eastern time. We'll take a couple trades just like this here, right? I'll show you guys. I'll mark up the chart with you guys. We'll get in for our trades. Probably take a couple 30-second trades. Be in and out the market, right? Session won't last more than 30 minutes, right? So, yeah, these are the instructions on how to set up your account, okay, and how to get registered. After you get right here, now you can deposit, right? So first you want to start a demo account. Go ahead and top it up with the amount that you're going to start with. Also, you can start a live account and put your real money in there by coming over here to finance, go to deposit. Okay, choose Bitcoin because that's going to be the fastest. And if you don't know how to buy Bitcoin, you can go to Cash App and buy Bitcoin instantly. You can also use Trust Wallet, Crypto.com, right? There's a bunch of different sites out there where you can buy Bitcoin, right? So choose the amount that you want to deposit. I say I'd say don't start with less than $50. Okay, try to start with at least $50, $50 to $100. This is a minimum deposit of $5. Okay, but I wouldn't start that low if I was you. I would try to start with at least $50 to $100. Okay, if you can. If you can't, then cool. But then the lower the amount, just the more focused you're going to have to be, right? The more precise you're going to have to be on your entries, and just your discipline is just going to be at a higher level, right? If you start with the lower amounts, you still need to have a high level of discipline at the higher amounts too, but you have more room for error when you're starting with at least $50 to $100. Okay, when you start with lower amounts, you don't have too much room for error, which can make you a better trader too. Right? But yeah. So you start with that, put that amount in. Once you click continue to pay, it'll show a Bitcoin address, and you're going to send the exact amount to that address, right? So just copy and paste. And then once you do that, after about 10 to, I'd say give it about 30 minutes, you should see it pop up in your real account here, right? But yeah, start on your demo account. You want to practice first before you put your live money in there. Just get your strategy down. Make sure you are consistent, right? Once you're winning at least 6 out of 10 trades, then I would move over to a live account, right? If you're consistently losing trades, I would not move over to your live account yet, right? But once you're winning like 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 and above, then you're becoming a better trader, right? So, all right, so those are the steps. Go ahead and follow this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the live trading session. Let's go.